Hey you guys, so I'm back with another video. I know it's been a minute. I've just been busy as always. Is that my driver? But yes, so I have a few things that I do need to get done today and the whole week. My birthday is Saturday, so hopefully when I upload this, I probably might upload it probably by Thursday, Friday. Hopefully I do. So yeah, I'm just working on my business, renovating, like, you know, improving and everything for my business, and just trying to get stuff done. A two-part video because I do have a lot of stuff I do need to get done today and tomorrow, so it might be a packing video. I don't know, but anyways, there's a lot of stuff that I do need to get done, so I'm gonna get it done. Hopefully I get everything done today for my business. I'm waiting on Amazon to come today. I have deliveries coming today for my business. So y'all, look at all these books. This is the first book that I started with my business. This is a very, very good book, but I'm trying to check out some new books to read. There's so much to look through. My Yoni Bars right here. I think I made about 60. Yeah, so these are 60 Yoni Bars that I made right here. These are it right here. I love my Yoni Bars. Like, look at how cute these look, y'all. This one is so nice, so beautiful. The ones back here are my sample. These might be samples. I don't know. Some of them are bigger than the other, but this is a sample bar for sure. So I'm about to I might make this a regular bar because this do look regular. Like these last two right here do look regular. I might make these regular bars. But yeah, I'm about to list them on my Instagram story to let my customers know that I am about to add some sample bars to the website so they can go ahead and, you know, get a little sample of what I sell. Okay, so I got I already printed out my Yoni bar labels, which I order off online labels if anybody want to know. But yes, so hopefully I made enough because I got 60 bars to put in a soap box. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the soap boxes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and label these for you guys. Brand new day, and today is shipping day. So today I gotta ship the orders out. Not every order, I think I got probably like 30 orders left that I gotta ship out, so those probably might not go out till Monday because that was after the restock. But it did take me like 2 to 3 days to prep for everything because I was out of labels and everything like that. So I'm about to take you guys through my garage. We're about to go to my garage where I got everything prepped. I probably won't record, like I said before, in my garage because it's pretty dark, so I don't barely record like when I'm packaging orders in here. But if I do, I probably might upload it afterwards. These are my Yoni gels. These are my turmerics right here. And then over here we have my turmeric honey mask right here. We have my Yonis, my oatmeals, my turmerics. These are my butters. These are not all the butters, but I have to go and get them. And then I went ahead and packaged these right here. And of course I got my water just in case I get thirsty while I'm working. My packaging, I already went ahead and printed them out and everything, so this is it right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and package these. It might take me probably like an hour or so to package these, but yes, these are all my orders from my restock that I had recently. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and package these, and I'll be back in probably an hour or two to let you guys see like how everything looks. These are the rest of the orders that I had left from my restock. It was 80 plus left that I had left for my anniversary sale that I had on Friday. So this is all of it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and organize them so I can take them to the post office. Yeah, stay tuned for my next video. I don't know when is it coming, but I'm trying my best to have at least one video a week. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.